Welcome, my lovely viewers, to Media Booth Empire. Okay, we feed you with new skill training online. We all know that this generation is having a platform called YouTube where we have tons of skill training going day after day. So today on our skill training, I'm going to take you through a site where you can get or purchase a skill, okay, where you can purchase a skill online, whether you want to be a developer, 3D animator, or 2D animator, or even a graphic designer, or even a video editor. We have this amazing website where you can just visit and um, enjoy yourself, getting a lot of training and getting a lot of skill. Okay, I am one of those people who do a lot of research, and I have purchased one or two courses from there, and I'll take you through. So now let's open a new tab. With our new tab, let's type in the www.aqskill.com. Okay, aqskill.com. Oh, you get it. Enter. Okay, so it's going to load up. You have a very nice page, well organized. The designing of the page was so amazing. We are going to enjoy that amazing courses. They have a lot of tutorials there. Come on, where you can not get on YouTube, and you can ask a lot of questions on the sites. So this is the site. Okay, so I'm taking you through this is a find a perfect online course, take a course to advance your career. So being in any career at all, here is the search section. You can type it, you can type in here any topic at all you want to learn. Okay, and when you come to the categories, you have this drop down. You just tap on the drop down. You can see we have 3D designs, affiliate marketing, animation, app development, banking, website, web development, business analysis, cartoon animation, computer programming, content creation, customer relation, data analysis, data analytics and visualization, digital marketing, digital skill, e-commerce, electronics, Elementor, forex trading, graphic designing, and we have a tons of them down there. Okay, importation, logo design, Microsoft Word. You know, Microsoft Word is one of those office applications from Microsoft. Okay, where you need to do some little typing, putting putting a lot of designs or even pictures on your typing in the background, where we have something called header and footer. All those things are available in Microsoft Word, where even when you finish and maybe you want to send type application, that is the place you have to go and type. Maybe from time to time, maybe we all pay a visit to Microsoft Word, how you can be able to use Microsoft Word for petty things. Okay, some people they have the laptop there, they use it for just movies. No, it's not. The laptop is not just for the movie watching. Okay, you have to learn a skill online to better yourself or even to acquire and make a good career. Okay, we have mobile skill acquisition course, we have motion design, my SQL. This is a powerful training app. This is a powerful app. Okay, we have Photoshop. Yeah, you know, graphic designing, posters, banners, or this application is there. And in fact, I love AQ skill because everything that they teach here is so amazing. We have presentation. Maybe probably you learn PowerPoint, how to use PowerPoint, and so on. And maybe we have software design, SQL. We have my SQL and we have SQL. Okay, so maybe one is programming and one is maybe app development, maybe some sort of this programming for an institution. Okay, we have all this video editing, website design, website development, YouTube marketing, all these things. Okay, and when you come, before you can have access to any of this, now you can see the price. This is in Ghana cedis. Okay, this is in Ghana cedis. But Probably, I think we can change it from Ghana cedis to another currency. Probably we can change it from another currency. We can change it from cedis to another currency. I've forgotten my way out here, but hopefully maybe there is a way around it. But you see, previously it was 259 Ghana cedis. Okay, but now you can see 78 Ghana cedis, just 78 Ghana cedis. And you'll be able to acquire tons of training section over here. This is 3 hours training. This is 50 hours training. Look at the amount of money you're paying. Very few, very few. And we also have the 3D designs with Cinema 4D from beginner to advanced, just for 64 Ghana cedis. And you can get you have tons of tutorials here. Okay, tons of them, thousands of them here. Okay, and their instructors too are very good. Now I'm going to try and log in, then I'll take you through where maybe, but if in case you don't have an account with them, you can register. Click on the register. It takes you through this process. Maybe later you have to verify, then you sign in. Okay, so I'm going to sign in with a different account. Okay, so www.aqskill.com. Sorry, the skill left with one L. If not, it won't give me what I want. Okay, it's loading up. It's loading up. It's loading up. My internet is slow. So as you log in, whatever purchase of course you've ever made, you have it there. Now you can see up here that I have a purchase. Okay, I have logged in, and in my login, when I tap on my profile, this is what I see: my full name, my profile. Maybe if I want to switch from day mode, or let me say this mode to night mode, when I tap on it, it will change. Everything is black. This is good for the night vision. Okay, because sometimes some of us sit long hours behind the computers for a very long time. Okay, and this is where I've not seen how you can change this CDs to dollars. Okay, we have it right here. Okay, so you can change it to Naira and everything will change. Okay, I've selected Naira. Okay, so let's see if it will change. Wow, 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 it just changed. So everything changed. Let's go to dollars, United States dollars. Let's tap on it. Okay, so it's loading. This will change into dollars. Wow. So you can see as low as $11. As low as $11. And you're good to go. You get it. Now here you have $9, $6, and you see there is some reduction down there. It was 18, now reduced to $6. All the courses are being reduced. So you can just grab yourself one course and roll on. I have a couple of courses here where I have to just complete. Okay, let's see, let's have a look. Okay, initially I wanted to purchase this course. Okay, 3D design with Cinema 4D, and when you click the checkout, it will take you through the processes. Maybe you can use mobile money or even banking details to make your payment, or even every card to make all your payments. Okay, now let's go back. I want to check all my purchases. Then okay, okay, saved courses. Then look, we have another opportunity: become an instructor. Oh, we'll be back on that one later on. Okay, so we have wish list courses. Now let's see the courses I have enrolled on. Okay, good. Now I have 3 courses I've enrolled on, or even more. I have one I've completed 70% because cartoon creation and animation using Photoshop, and this is a very good one. We also have online store website development course. This is practical, and I've completed 100%. We also have another one, ultimate Adobe Photoshop training, from beginner to professional. Okay, let's go to next. Maybe if I have an other, oh, that's all the course I've paid, re-enrolled on. Let's go back. So this is all that I wanted to share with you. AQ skill is in fact loaded. It's really loaded. And when you are done, you want a certificate. It has a portion for certification. Okay. When you are done, you want certificate. Probably they will mail it to you. Then you do the printout yourself, and you get a certificate on any of the course that you have completed successfully. Okay. So I'm signing out. Maybe we'll continue later, but please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Leave a comment down the button. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.